Hi guys and Happy New Year! This week on the LifeShare vlog, we're going to be talking about time savings and specifically savings when it comes to your activity calendars and filling in some of those recurring activities throughout your month. Log into your LifeShare admin account and go to the Activities channel to start editing your calendar. Once you choose a day to begin editing, you can either edit an existing activity to make it repeat, or you can add a new activity using the blue button in the upper right-hand corner. Once you create your new activity, fill out the necessary information and then look at the area where it says Repeats. Your choices for a repeat include never, daily, weekly, monthly on a day of a month, monthly on a day of a week, and yearly. Once you select your repeat, the other necessary information will appear. You can leave the end date open-ended, or you can choose to put in a specific end date. Once you save your event, it will now appear in your list for that day. Remember, these changes will automatically update on your community share screens. However, if you want your calendar to update, please republish your monthly PDF to be able to see your new events. Have questions? Reach out to our support team.